Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Playwright for browser automation and scraping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Playwright for browser automation and scraping, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, visit the Node.js website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new project directory by running the command dir playwright automation. Navigate into your project directory using cd playwright automation. Next, initialize a new Node.js project by executing npm init. This command will create a package.json file, which keeps track of your project's dependencies. Now, it's time to install Playwright. Run the command npm install playwright. This will download Playwright and its dependencies into your project. Once the installation is complete, you can install the necessary browsers. Execute the command npx playwright install. This command will download the required browser binaries for Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. With Playwright installed, create a new JavaScript file for your script. You can create a file named scrape.js using your preferred code editor. Open scrape.js and start by importing Playwright. Add the line const chromium equals require playwright at the top of the file. Next, declare an asynchronous function to encapsulate your automation logic. You can name this function run. Add the line const run equals async equals to define the function. Inside the run function, launch a new browser instance. Use the command const browser equals await chromium.launch. Next, create a new browser context. Execute the line const context equals await browser.newContext. Then, open a new page using const page equals await context.newPage. Now it's time to navigate to the website you want to scrape. Use the command awaitpage.goto https://example. Once the page loads, you can extract data from the website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.